Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to have an overview of clauses. Let's get started. Now, a clause is a combination of words containing a subject and a predicate. Have a look at the examples over here. Peter goes to the gym. Now this is one clause. Peter goes to the gym after he finishes his work. Now there are two clauses in the sentence. Peter goes to the gym and he finishes his work. There are two types of clauses in English. A. An independent or main clause. Now an independent or main clause contains a subject and a predicate and expresses a finished thought. Thus, it can stand alone in a sentence. Have a look at the examples below. Pam likes drawing and painting. Expresses a finished thought. Andy is currently unemployed. Expresses a finished thought, and both sentences have a subject and a predicate. Note that the independent clause is a simple sentence when dependent clauses within one sentence are absent. B. A dependent or subordinate clause. A dependent or subordinate clause gives additional information to the main sentence. Thus, it cannot stand alone as a separate sentence. Have a look at the examples below. Mr. Clarkson, whose works are critically acclaimed, has published a new book. Now this clause, whose works are critically acclaimed, is a dependent or subordinate clause, and it gives us additional information about Mr. Clarkson. Mary started laughing when she saw a pug wearing a costume. Now, when she saw a pug wearing a costume, it's a dependent or subordinate clause, and it gives us a bit more details about why she started laughing. Now, an independent clause forms a complex sentence together with a dependent clause. Have a look at the examples below. I'd like to know why I can't book a room at this hotel. The woman stood crying as people were passing by. Here is a short story using clauses. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Have you decided where you'd like to go this summer? I haven't asked my family if they plan on doing a huge family gathering. Well, until you get the details, we can't book anything. I understand that. I promise that I'll call my parents today. You can't join us. Everyone is super friendly. I'm not sure that I'm ready to meet your huge family yet.